this matter handled with equity?
Mr. Day, I'm seriously becoming very concerned about your mental capacities, which is a very unique situation to have to deal with in a civil case. 3C0276.
Christopher Borkin for the plaintiff.
Tariq Tariq.
Thank you. Mr. Day, did you serve this notice to principal, is notice to agent, is notice to principal, administrative procedure motion that you filed with Mr. Borkin?
It was a
Sir,
You
my
sent-
question was simple. Did you file it with Mr. Borkin?
I don't believe so.
You have to file
I see.
anything you file with this court with Mr. Borkin and opposing counsel is considered not filed. That's the court rule for any court.
Oh, okay. I must have missed that.
So he filed something called affidavit of high prerogative writ of quo
Pro warranto.
warranto.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not something that gets filed in the district court anyway, but he did file that, and I presume he's gonna file that with you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I will do that.
Your Honor, my client is here to chime in. If it's necessary to take testimony.
I'm not even sure what this document is. He is filing something here that he wants a fraud of false claims for $30,000, conspiracy $250,000, failure to respond $1 million, failure to respond is outlined $1 million, summons to the court, which you can't do. I'm not even sure what any of that means. Responsive communications, $250 a page, and then $2,313,500 for review and research of responsive communications at $500 an hour, but he says it's 8 hours. So
The property was put into trust as a trust property, and the subject matter of the trust is the subject matter of this case is under the trust. The case number, account number has been conveyed to trust as well, and I was seeking to have this matter handled with equity.
Mr. Day, I'm seriously becoming very concerned about your mental capacities, which is a very unique situation to have to deal with in a civil case.
I'm not sure what to say to that. Ultimately, if just seeking for the plaintiff to provide that the original negotiable instrument wasn't securitized, because if it was invested or securitized, it means that it should be discharged.
Mr. Borkin,
Honor,
do you have a response to whatever?
I would focus on the complaint that we filed, which was for non-payment of rent. I would indicate that there's still an amount of rent owed to date.
Mr. Borkin, I fully understand that. However, at this point in time, the court just indicated that I have some concerns about his mental capacity as to whether or not he should be trying to represent himself in a court of law at this time. Because I don't think that he fully understands what's happening here today. So I'm not going to proceed unless I feel like he fully understands what's happening, which is a problem.
Your Honor, I believe there's another defendant on the complaint. I don't know if they're present today.
Is Miss Erica Weatherspoon present with you?
No, she's not. She's currently 9 months pregnant.
All right, first of all, Mr. Borkin, I'm not willing to move forward on this today. I have to do several things. One is, I want him to file with you the motion that he filed with this court. So that needs to go to you. Two, I need to research how to do a referral in a civil case. If that can be done in a landlord-tenant case so that he fully understands what's happening, because I don't think he understands the proceedings that are going on right now. And then three, I'm gonna refer him to speak with someone at legal services so that I can at least feel like he's had that ability to communicate with someone. If he doesn't do that, then that's a whole separate subject. Because then maybe I can at least justify moving forward with where we are right now. But at this point, I am not comfortable moving forward.
Your Honor, I would provide my email address and he could send his motion to my email if that's easier.
Thank you. Mr. Day, are you able to?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to determine, are you able to see what's in the chat feature, sir?
I think,
Do you know how to get to chat?
no, ma'am. I'm
All
sorry.
right. What you're gonna need to do is look on your phone. Do you see three dots at the top of your phone that say more?
I'm currently on a laptop.
Oh, okay. So look at the bottom of your
Okay.
screen. Do you see where it says chat? You see something in red at the bottom that says 32 or 33?
I do see chat.
All right, click on that and you should see his contact information in there. You need to file this notice, motion, whatever you call it, with him. Okay, so that's first step. Two, you need to, I'm referring you over to legal services so that you can talk to them about the nature of these proceedings so that you fully understand them. Okay,
Okay.
and that is, they have hours between 10 and 11:30 on Tuesdays, and then 2 and 3:30 on Thursday. Okay.
Okay.
And then I believe the last thing I said was, once you've served them with that motion, I'm gonna look into whether or not there's the ability to refer for competency. And I'll have that answer when we come back here next week. I'm gonna adjourn it over for 1 week to see where we are with all of this.
Am I not able to ask for a jury trial? Is that a different process?
You can ask for a jury trial. There'll also be an escrow where you have to put your money in escrow until that time comes.
Oh, okay. Is that escrow? Is that something that you all provide?
You have to come to the court and put your money into play it here at the courthouse, sir.
Okay.
And you have to file the proper demand for a jury trial. That's probably why you need legal counsel.
Okay.
Okay. So how much is the rent per month?
Are you asking me, ma'am?
No, I'm asking Mr. Borkin.
Okay. Sorry.
My complaint indicates that monthly rent is $1,083.
$1,083. So that's how much you'll need to be placing in the escrow until the trial happens, okay, sir?
Okay. Because I think my partner, she completed something with Michigan Bridges to maybe get some kind of a extension or help or something financially.
That may be true, but if you request a jury trial, you have to put your money in escrow. If you don't, then you waive your right to that jury trial.
Okay.
Okay. That's why I'm telling you to go over and talk to legal services.
Yes, ma'am. Yep.
All right, so I'm gonna bring you all back here on March 15th. You need to serve him with that document, okay?
Yep. Yes.
And then I'll see you here on March 15th. I'm gonna schedule this at 3:30,
3:30.
okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.